Yo, 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 what's up, people? This your boy P. Rouse back in the building for Rouse Wristwatch Love. And right now, we got another watch unboxing. Alright. Very special watch unboxing for me anyway. But I've been chilling out. Got a couple NATO straps. I took the bracelet off of the Morphic, put this black NATO strap on it. And I did something unprecedented. I got a Walmart special, right? And put a green NATO strap on it, and it actually looks pretty good. Walmart special. You understand what I'm saying? But yo, we're about to get into this unboxing right quick. So let's get into it. Here we go, y'all. Let's get into this unboxing right quick. Alright. Oh, it's Timex. Timex, yo. Timex. Yo. Let's open him up. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. And it's a Timex Weekender. Ooh. Look at that. What else we got in the box? Oh, instructions. We don't need that. The Timex Weekender. Another Weekender. The other one I got is silver tone. This one is gold tone. Take it off the pillow. Come on. Get off there. There we go. Oops. Alright. There it is. Timex Weekender. Oh, I love Timex so damn much. I love Timex. Understand? Look at that joint. Nice, right? So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna try him on the wrist right quick. You understand what I'm saying? So just stand up, people. The Weekender on the wrist. Look pretty damn fly. I like that. I like that. And I love Timex. You understand what I'm saying? Yo, this the shiznit right here. Trying to tell ya. You know, I know what y'all want to see the Indiglo. Stand back for a second. Are y'all ready for the Indiglo? Bang. Look at that. Look at that right there. Love Timex. Love them. So, yo, this your boy P. Rouse. This is your Timex Weekender unboxing. Get into it. Peace. And we out. But you know what? Before we be out, look, I didn't know the Walmart special would look this good on the NATO, though, for real. You know what I mean? It had this on it. So I took that off, put on the green NATO, and it looks good as hell. You know what I mean? So, holla at your boy P. Rouse. And again, I took the bracelet off of the Morphic. You know, put on the black NATO. You know, so it's all good. It's your boy P. Rouse, and I'm out. You know what I'm saying? Timex Weekender unboxing. Wham! Indiglo. Peace, and we out.